2006 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, dual front airbags, four-wheel ABS, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, keyless entry, premium sound, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, trip odometer, fog lamps, power door locks, bed liner, power windows, trip computer, leather wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, power driver mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.